Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. To give you more options for caring for orchids at home, helping your plants grow stronger, bloom more brilliantly, with long-lasting flowers and multiple blooms on the same stem, today I'm going to share with you a completely new method. In this video, I will provide a detailed guide on how to make a simple organic fertilizer using familiar ingredients that are easy to find right in your kitchen, something anyone can make by themselves. When applied correctly and consistently, you will notice remarkable changes in your orchids. The plants become healthier, roots grow better, leaves turn greener and shinier, and their flowering ability improves significantly. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any orchid care tips. Now, let's get started. To make today's organic fertilizer, we will use turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a natural ingredient rich in curcumin, which has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps protect orchid roots, reduce root rot, and support faster plant recovery. In addition, turmeric helps boost resistance and encourages stable, long-term healthy growth. Here, I will use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then add 500 milliliters of warm water and stir well until the turmeric powder is completely dissolved, allowing the active compounds in the turmeric to be released more effectively. Next, cover the container and let the solution sit for about 1 hour so the nutrients can be naturally and safely extracted. While waiting for the solution to infuse, I will rinse the orchid with clean water. This step is very important, as it helps pre-moisten the growing medium, prevents the roots from being shocked when they come into contact with the organic fertilizer, and allows the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively in the next care step. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When the plant is rinsed before applying fertilizer, the roots are moistened and become softer, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more easily without shock. At the same time, the growing medium is partially cleared of accumulated salts and residues, creating a more aerated environment for root respiration. As a result, when the organic fertilizer is applied, the nutrients penetrate more evenly and deeply. The roots absorb them more effectively, and the plant develops more stably and safely, achieving better results throughout the care process. After 1 hour of infusion, once the turmeric water has completely cooled, I will strain the solution, removing all the residue and keeping only the pure liquid. This step makes the solution lighter and cleaner, ensuring it is safe for the roots and does not clog the growing medium during use. The next ingredient I add to the solution is fresh milk. Fresh milk contains calcium, protein, and natural minerals that help strengthen the roots, support thicker and firmer leaves, and promote stable, long-lasting plant growth. When used in moderation and properly diluted, fresh milk is very suitable for orchids. Here, I will use about 50 milliliters of fresh milk. Then add 1 liter of clean water, and stir well so that the nutrients from the turmeric water and fresh milk are fully blended together. Method 1. Wiping the orchid leaves. First, pour a small amount of the solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth, dip it in the solution, and gently wipe the entire orchid leaf, including both the upper and lower surfaces. When wiping the leaves with the turmeric and milk solution, the nutrients are absorbed directly through the leaf surface. Turmeric provides antibacterial and antifungal benefits, cleaning the leaf surface, while fresh milk supplies calcium and minerals, helping the leaves become thicker, firmer, and more glossy green. Wiping the leaves also helps remove dust, allowing them to absorb light more efficiently, which enhances photosynthesis and promotes healthier plant growth. You can apply this leaf wiping method 1 to 2 times per month. Regular practice will keep your orchids clean and healthy, improving their growth and supporting more stable flowering. Method 2. Watering the orchid base. Next, pour the organic fertilizer solution into a watering can and gently water around the base of the orchid. When watering, pour slowly and evenly so the solution gradually penetrates the growing medium, allowing the roots to absorb nutrients effectively without shock. The turmeric and milk solution helps fight bacteria and limit fungal growth in the medium, while providing calcium and essential nutrients to nourish healthy roots. When the roots develop well, the plant can take up water and nutrients more efficiently, resulting in greener leaves, stronger growth, and more stable development. You can apply this base watering method every 2 to 3 weeks, in combination with other care techniques. With proper and consistent care, your orchids will grow strong and healthy, ready for the next blooming cycle. After evenly watering around the base, you can place the entire orchid pot into the fertilizer solution and let it soak for about 10 minutes. This duration is enough for the roots to gradually absorb the nutrients, helping the plant strengthen safely without causing waterlogging or root damage. Method 3. Misting the orchids. Finally, pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the orchids in your garden. When spraying, mist lightly and evenly over the stems, leaves, and root area, paying attention to both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Misting with the turmeric and milk solution provides gentle hydration while distributing nutrients evenly throughout the plant. Turmeric helps with antibacterial and antifungal protection, while fresh milk supplies calcium and minerals, making the leaves thicker, glossier, and boosting the plant's overall resistance. You should mist 1 to 2 times per month, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding spraying under strong sunlight. Regular misting will help your orchids grow evenly and healthily, while naturally reducing pests and diseases. After about 10 minutes, once the orchids have soaked long enough, lift the pot out of the solution and place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area. Allow the plant to dry completely, avoiding damp or poorly ventilated areas. Letting the plant rest in a dry, airy environment helps the roots stabilize after absorbing nutrients, reduces the risk of waterlogging and root rot, and provides optimal conditions for the plant to adapt and recover. Results. After applying this method, the orchids in your garden will show noticeable changes in a short period. The roots become stronger, with many new roots emerging, plump and firmly anchored in the growing medium. With healthy roots, the plant absorbs water and nutrients more efficiently. The leaves become thicker and sturdier, with a deep green color and a glossy, healthy surface, reducing issues like soft, wrinkled, or weak leaves. The plant grows steadily and is less affected by environmental conditions. Especially, orchids that were slow to bloom or hadn't flowered for a long time begin to produce new flower spikes. For orchids that are already flowering, the blooms last longer, appear more vibrant, and stay fresh on the plant. This shows that when properly cared for, using organic fertilizer made from turmeric and fresh milk, orchids can grow healthy, strong, and bloom beautifully over time. Take care of your orchids with love and patience. They may not grow overnight, but they will quietly reward you with surprising and lasting results. What do you think about caring for orchids with turmeric powder and fresh milk? If you've tried this method or have additional tips, share them in the comments so everyone can learn together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with fellow orchid lovers, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next orchid care videos. Thank you for always accompanying Wonder Garden.